many times have you struggled like that to find proper fingerings? You really want to play the piece you like, and it all is going fine until you reach that passage or jump or some weird moment in the music that drives you crazy. All because it requires you to find just the right fingerings. My name is Alexander. Stay until the end of this video. I believe this advice will help you even if you are a beginner. Natural position of the hand is when you hold the fingers like this. While playing, you will have to move your hand around the keyboard, shift fingers, play double notes and other things. But the point is to do all of those things while having your hand in natural position as much as possible. That is the logic behind the fingerings. This way it will be much easier to play anything as well as figure out the fingerings. Rely on strong fingers. Stronger fingers are the thumb, index and middle finger. Ring finger and pinky finger can be trained to become really fast and strong, but still you have to be careful with fingering combination using these fingers. Quick information for everybody out there who are struggling to learn to play accordion on their own and searching for a teacher. Click on the link in the description and sign up for a free lesson. Let me help you with what you struggle with and make your path of learning accordion easier. Observe more than just a couple of notes. As a beginner, it is probably hard for you to read notes and decide which finger goes where, and very often you don't see more than just a couple of notes at a time. So it can happen that you choose to use fingers from 1 to 5, not realizing that you have to go even further with the melody. That brings us to advice number 4. Don't be afraid to shift or switch fingers. Switching and shifting fingers are crucial techniques that will make figuring out fingerings much easier. Playing piano accordion requires you to use switching and shifting. Shifting fingers allows you to move through the keyboard all the way up and down. And switching gives you the option to set your hand for further melodic movements or jumps. If figuring out the fingerings is one of your biggest problems, then you should consider doing a daily exercise of learning one new simple song every day and figuring out different fingerings for those songs. Being exposed to that kind of exercise will improve reading notes and writing fingerings at the same time. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, click a thumbs up and see you in the next video.